Hi everybody, we're up to part 2 of this beautiful painting here. So the blowout has dried absolutely magnificent. However, there is a problem. I now know what happens when you use a canvas board and it is not flat. So if the framer can't help me get this flat in a frame, the painting is a dud. But I've decided that I want to proceed. I love this blowout and I've decided I want to proceed with the painting even if the canvas board isn't flat. Now I've done a dot right in the center of the canvas with a little grey lead pencil. There's a teeny tiny little dot there. And I think I'm going to line the lion's eyes up with, no, that doesn't seem right. I'm gonna do it in the center of this covered patch here and go from there. So I'll just get this so that I'm happy with it in the center here, and we're going to use Ultramarine Violet Deep, no, sorry, Permanent Blue Violet, Ultramarine Blue and Bronze. They're the 3 colours: Ultramarine Blue, Blue Violet and Bronze. That's the plan, man. So what a shame this is not flat. Such a shame. But it's dried perfectly, except it's not flat. So now this is why you don't use canvas boards when you're doing acrylic pouring. Otherwise you encounter a situation like this. So lesson learnt, and that's okay. I'm all right with it. That's going to do just like this. Every time I touch it, it moves. Oh my gosh, that is so annoying. Stencils are so fiddly, such fiddly things. It's quite infuriating actually. I absolutely love them, but they really are the most fiddly, finicky, annoying things, and yet I can't seem to stop wanting to put them in my art. I just love it. I love them. Especially this lion. I love the way it's so abstract and it's still clearly a lion, but it's got flower eyes, and I think that's awesome. Okay, that's flat now. There's my grey dot there, and I'll just lift it up. Yeah, it looks really good. It looks great. So I think what we will do is a blue in the center and bronze and purple surrounding. Now we're going to use the what Amsterdam gave me, a gel medium from Amsterdam. That's the first step, putting that on to the canvas, and then we put the paint on after that. This stencil turned out so cool when I did the surfboard for my brother. It was really wonderful. I was very happy with how it turned out. I'll put a link to the video of the surfboard that I painted for my brother, where I did a lot of stencil work in it. And I love it. And my brother has it hanging in the dining room in his house. So it was his old surfboard. That was too good to throw away, but it was a bit worn out. I don't know how a surfboard gets worn out, but they must. I know they get scratched on reefs. Okay, great. I've decided I'm going to use the purple rather than the blue. Maybe I'll do one eye purple and one eye blue. Oh, that wasn't the plan. Guess it is now. need to stop fiddling now. Or I'll ruin it. Oh my gosh, drives me insane. That's it. Right. Okay, let's take off this stencil. And cross our fingers for the best. Fabulous. It's great. I really like it. There's a little bit here that will need to be touched up when it's dry. That's about it. It's excellent. It's just what I wanted it to be. I'll bring you in for a close-up. Here it is, my beautiful Violet Lion in a frame. Now, unfortunately, this won't be the final frame because this frame arrived from Etsy and it's broken. So I've sent a message to the store and they're sending me a replacement frame. And in the meantime, I have put masking tape to hold the sides of this frame together so I could take a video of it to show you the end result. So I won't do much of a zoom around because otherwise you'll see my table with I've got a funny photo on there and the glad wrap from the wrapping from the frame, but and my salt and pepper shakers and varnish. Oh my goodness, and the puppies are outside in their little bed. They like to sit up on the coffee table that I have outside there. Anyway, so here's the final painting and the colours have come up superb. I used my little stamp down there, which was actually quite difficult for some reason on a board. I won't be using boards again in the future, but I reckon this one in the bronze frame so it's a beautiful frame, and I've just got it sitting in my easel because I can't hang it on the wall because the pressure will make the masking tape come off and the frame will fall apart. So yeah, couldn't believe it. As soon as I opened the box, it came out in pieces. So that's a real disappointment. But anyway, the lady has said she'll send me a new one. So that's nice. Anyway, what do you think? I just think it's amazing. What an incredible mane that lion has. And the bronze on the lion's face mixed with the beautiful purples that Royal Talons wanted to have violet as their colour for the month. I think it's a superb artwork. A lovely size to hang above a buffet or probably not above a couch, but above a front entrance table or a buffet kind of thing. It would look really nice, or some kind of table that's on the wall. Very pretty and amazing details in there. The colours are just phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. Thank you for watching. Thank you to Royal Talons for supplying me with the paints to create this masterpiece, and the gel to put under the lion before I put the Amsterdam colours on top, and the pouring mediums. See you next time.